Today we're going to walk through the best calibration settings for the Acer Nitro XV272U monitor. If you want the cleanest, most accurate image quality this display can offer, here's exactly how to set everything up. Start with the gamma and set it to 2.2. This gives you a balanced picture where midtones look accurate, shadows aren't crushed, and highlights don't look blown out. It's the most natural and comfortable gamma for everyday use, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just browsing. Next, move to your color temperature settings and switch to user mode. From there, adjust the RGB gain values like this: green 47, blue 51, red 52. This combination gives you vibrant but accurate color reproduction. If you prefer something more neutral, simply set all three, red, green, and blue, to 50, which still delivers a very clean and balanced image. For brightness and contrast, your ideal levels depend on your room lighting. Here is a quick breakdown to match common brightness targets. For 200 nits, set brightness to 67. For 120 nits, set brightness to 51. For 180 nits, set brightness to 33. For very dim viewing at around 15 nits, go with 8. Keep contrast at 49 for a natural separation between dark and bright areas without washing out the picture. In the additional settings, make sure to turn off super sharpness. This feature adds artificial edge enhancement that can make the image look harsh or overprocessed. With it disabled, you'll get a cleaner, more authentic picture. When watching HDR content, switch to HDR 400 mode. This mode gives you the best brightness and contrast levels the monitor can output, making highlights stand out while still maintaining detail. For smoother gameplay, enable adaptive sync. This eliminates screen tearing and keeps motion looking fluid. Once adaptive sync is on, the monitor will automatically adjust the overdrive to help reduce ghosting. If you want to cut down on motion blur even further, you can choose between two levels, normal and extreme. Normal reduces blur with only a small brightness drop, while extreme offers stronger blur reduction but may introduce minor artifacts or lower brightness depending on the game.